back. Last time we talked about processing URL arguments and passing them back from a request in the browser URL to just print them out here. And we need to do that so that we can basically pick which routes, when we run a route, like what we want to tell it what to do. So let's add another route that'll actually do something and send it back. So I'm going to create a route called book, because I have this JSON file that I found with thousands of books in it with some cool info. It's got like thumbnails for the image for books. They're mostly computer books. Anyway, it's at least it's data to work with, right? So I'm going to create a route called book, and then I need to apply my decorator. What does the decorator do? It basically creates the route on the front end. So when I go to /book, it'll run this method here, which should say print, or actually let's do this. Let's return JSONify, and we'll send back a JSON object that says key success is true, and then count of how many things we found is 0. Okay, so we added that route. Let me run. Python 3, go up here. Are we going to see anything up here? Not really. Let's get my developer console going. See, this doesn't do anything. Oh wait, maybe if I go to /book. Woo! That's cool. Okay. So yeah, we got to tell it which route, right? So we picked a route, we created a new route, and we just sent back a JSON object. Does it talk to anything? No. But on the front end, we hit the proper route. It sent back a JSON object that just got displayed in the browser, and I will add to that in the next video.